How's it going, guys? Today I'll be showing you how to reveal an image on circular cursor hover with Vue.js. So this is the result. Let me just show it to you. To start, we have the CDN for the Vue.js and then the basic script for the Vue.js too. And then let's now add the container. So I will add a div with an ID container, and then inside it will be a div element too with an ID overlay. There. And then for the style, I have already added a background color that I'm going to use and then a margin 0. Next, we're going to style the container. So the width and height will depend on you. In my case, I want it to be 100%. So height should also have 100 VH. And then I will add the background image. Background image. And then the background size. Cover. Background position. Center. Then background repeat. No repeat. Next, we're going to style the overlay. So this overlay should be positioned absolute and then should have z index 1. So the width and height will be the size of the circular cursor. So mine, I would like it to be 150 pixels. So the same for the height. And then let's add border radius of 50%. So it will become circle. And then this should also have a box shadow. The box shadow will serve as the background of the circular cursor. So this should be as wide as the screen. So I will use 100 VW and the color should be the same as the background color. There. And let's also add background and then a transition. Background for 0.2 seconds. There. Next, we need to change the background to be transparent. The background of this overlay to be transparent when the container is hovered. So let's add here container, hover, and then overlay. Then we will set the background to be transparent. Okay, so the CSS is now done. Let's now proceed on working or adding the function for hovering the image. So first thing that we're going to add here are the data that we're going to use later. So that would be the left position. So these are for the cursor. So I'll add it as 0 first, and then the top position. And also we'll need to use the half width of the overlay. So overlay, half width, which will be 0 for now. And then we're going to add a mouse hover here. I mean mouse move. And then I'll call the function reveal image. So let's add this function here with event. Okay. So on mount, we need to compute for the half width of the overlay. So that would be this overlay half width is equal to the um so let me first declare the overlay because I will be using it later. Overlay is equal to document get element by ID, and that's overlay. Then I'll use this variable here and then get the width, which is the client width, and then we'll divide it by 2 since it's the half there. And then I'll also be using the container multiple times later. So let me just um, declare a variable for that. So that would be container. So these are the elements. And then for the reveal image function, we need to get the left position. So the left position is equal to the event page X minus the container's offset left. Offset left. And then for the top position, it is equals to the page Y, the event's page Y, and the container's offset top. And then now we will add it to the overlay element. So let me use this. And then style left and use this left position minus the overlay half width plus pixels. And then the same for the top and top position here. There, so let me just test this one. There. So that's how easy it is to reveal an image on Hover. And that ends this tutorial.